Hello everybody, this is Kevin with Inspiring How You See That. We're the inspirational channel that goes behind the scenes, interviews some of your favorite artists, entertainers, and much more. So today we're back with a Tech Tuesday, and we're back with the Creality CR6 Max 3D printer, and we're talking about the 3D printing, some of the issues, some of the things that you guys have sent us, and some of the questions. And again, make sure you do like and subscribe, and put in any of the comments if there's something you're looking for. We'll try to put out as many videos as we can to help you guys out there. So this is kind of like a part two of the filament feed sensor. We had talked a little bit in the previous one about some of the diagnosis of filament feed sensors and why they're not working. And we wanted to tell you another tip in regards to your filament feed sensor and to make sure you do not get it clogged. And what I mean by that is we do have some filament here, and we also have the sensor that's a new sensor that we had talked about in a previous video. Now, when you are feeding your filament through, you do want to make sure that your filament is either, clean and it's not a burred up area like this end. We had talked about that. Same thing goes for when you put it into the tips, but this is for the filament feed sensor. You will want to make sure it comes through and it actually, is clean when you're feeding it through, because if you have anything, burred up on there and it goes through into the filament feed sensor, you can hear there's a little gear in there that actually senses that filament coming through. So if you get a bunch of dirt, debris, and you just kind of jam your filament in without, taking care, and this is another maintenance thing, and, cleaning your items, or even, whatever you may be using, when you cut this, and if it comes, it's all burred up, you just need to properly clean it and just not insert it, because if that burr or a chunk falls off in there, that little gear is not going to work. And then that's one of the problems. So if you see your light is on, but it's jammed and it's causing the gear, the stepper motor gear, to not feed it through correctly, you will have all kinds of issues, and you might even have some alerts, or it just might not feed through, and you'll possibly break other parts and components to your printer. So we hope this helps in regards to the sensor. There's a lot of other tips that we can put out there for the sensor. If you have any additional issues you guys run into, or maybe something we don't know about, throw that in the comments, and we'll talk about that in a future segment, and we hope that helps.